everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alex. So today I am doing sort of like a little bit of a product review on these STILA Magnificent Metals eyeshadow things right here. I have to say I really did like them, and they were so easy to use. I wanted to do sort of like that unicorny like purple highlight situation for today, and I'm really liking how it turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Thank you. Okay, so my face is done. I've done my foundation, my concealer, and my contour. I am going to start with my eyes. I'm going into this Glossier Cloud Paint, and this is in color Puff. It's a really pretty pink color. I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Picking this up onto a Morphe E18 brush. I'm just putting this all over my lid, and this is going to be the base for my shadows. So I'm just running this basically up until the crease, and then just patting it out with my fingers. As you can see, it just gives my eyelid sort of like a nice pink hue, which will be a really nice start for my shadow. For today's star, I have 2 stars today. I'm going into my Carli Bybel Deluxe palette. This palette, and I don't feel like I use it enough, so I want to get some use out of it today. I'm going in on this like mauve shade right here. I'm picking this up on my Morphe M573 brush, tapping it off. I'm just going to place this right into my crease. Fan that out really nicely. This color is so subtle and so pretty. It's just a nice alternative to like a warmer tone neutral to use a more mauve color. I also think it is very complimentary if you have blue eyes. Going into a bit of a smaller blending brush. This is my Morphe E17 brush. I'm going to pick up this brown shade right here and this brown shade right here and mix those two together. Start packing this onto my outer corner. Pretty close to the lash line and not really working it up too much. The reason I'm keeping it so close to the lash line and really packing that color on there is it's going to add some depth when I put on the next product, and it'll sort of replace the liner step. Remember, it's always important to tap, especially when your face is done before your eyes, because wiping away any of that fallout is going to be 10 times harder if your face is already done. Before I move on to any of my liquid products, I am going to highlight under my brow. I'm going in on this beautiful pearlescent, is that a word? No. Pearlescent purpley pink color. Putting this right under the arch of my brow. You guys know the drill. I want this look to have like a purple hue to it. My next step are my STILA, what are these called? Magnificent Metals shadows. I'm using 2 different colors today. I'm going to use this one is called Smoky Storm, and this one is called Ballet Baby, which also has that like purpley hue to it. I'm going to give you guys some swatches of these. Here's a swatch of both. Look how pretty those colors are. Bought these so long ago, and I actually haven't really used them. And I see them all over Instagram, so I thought I'd actually give it a shot. I'm just going to put this directly onto the lid, bringing it all the way to the inner corner, keeping this below the crease, and just fading it onto the product I put on the outer corner. I take my finger and I'm going to press that down. Sort of blend it out with my finger. Oh, whoa, this is really pretty. Talk about an easy eye look. Okay, if it covers what's on the outer corner. It's just going to add depth having that color under there. So you can see there's like a nice transition. Go back into my blending brush and pick up a little bit more of that mauve color we used originally and put that right into the crease again. Blending this all out. Now my Morphe E36 brush, back into the mauve color, and I'm just going to write this right under my lash line. making sure those edges meet up nicely. I'm going back into the two darker brown shades and just doing that right on top, keeping it a bit closer to the lash line. I'm going to use it right off, and I'm just going to run this right under my lash line. Pressing very, very lightly. The sparkles have a bit of a fallout, I have to say. Nothing too crazy, but you get that with any really sparkly product. I'm just blending this out with the same brush. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm going into the STILA in the Ballet Baby. And I'm just going to put this right onto the inner corner of my eye. Like kind of like a V, and then I'm pressing that in again with my finger. And it just has like such a like pretty purpley pink hue. Like I've been doing a lot of like more matte-ish style eye looks lately. So wanted to do something with a little bit more sparkle. This is definitely a lot more sparkle. A clean brush, and I'm just wiping away any of the sparkles that have fallen onto my cheeks. I'm going to give a coat of telescopic mascara on my top and bottom lashes and throw on some falsies, and I will be right back. For blush, I'm going to stay in the purpley hue tone. I'm going to go back into this color, which I've used before. This is my BH Cosmetics blush palette. And on my blush brush, this is my Morphe R10 brush. So I'm starting on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm really just bringing this all the way up. Keeping it above the contour, obviously. And you can see it kind of has like a bit of a glow to it as well, which is also pinky purpley toned. I'm going to go back into my blending brush. I'm going to pick up a little bit of that blush, and I'm going to run this also into the crease just to really tie this look together fully. I saw that Patrick Ta, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with who he is. He's a celebrity makeup artist that he always uses the blush that he's using on his other client or whoever makeup he's doing, and always puts a little bit in the eye look just to tie the whole look together. Back into my Carli Bybel palette, and I'm picking up again that pearlescent-y pink purple beautiful color that it is. I'm going to run this on the high point of my cheek. Ugh. I hope this is picking up like the purple in it. These highlights are crazy. Look at that. This a little bit above my brows, as usual. Your chin, Cupid's bow. I would say this is like a pretty wearable purpley highlight. There's a lot of them that are like really avant-garde and crazy, and you only want to put these on your cheeks. This one really can be worn every day. Which is why I love this palette so much, and there's so many options in it, so I definitely recommend getting it. I know she said that it was continued by BH, so like the last batch of the palettes are available still online, so I would go pick one up. They're really reasonably priced too, so it's your last chance to get it, guys. My lips, I'm going into my Covergirl Lip Pencil. This is in color 225 Beloved. I would say this is like a nice mauvey purpley color. And for lipstick, I'm going into a Nars lipstick that I have called Dolce Vita. It's really nice. Kind of mauve color. I'm going to set everything. I'm going to use, to go with the whole like unicorn purpley hue thing, I'm going to go with my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. It has like sparkles in it, so it gives you that extra glow. I think it has one of the best misters ever. Oh my god. This dress, it just like, it gives your face just like such a beautiful sheen. Okay, so this is the final look. I feel like I do a lot of like the same looks, so I wanted to switch it up today. I really like how it came out. I definitely recommend picking up this Carli Bybel palette. It is so amazing. And I really liked these STILA products. I have to give them a thumbs up. Bought them in a few other colors, so you'll definitely be seeing more of them. And yeah, it's definitely a really easy product to use. The sparkle payoff is incredible, and I definitely recommend this for any newbies because it is so simple. You could literally just do your crease and throw on one of these sparkly colors and you're good to go. So please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.